Hello, children. How are you all? So, today we are learning heavy and light. We had already learned the difference between big and small, long and short. So, today we will learn the difference between heavy and light. Heavy माने भारी, light माने हल्का. And I hope all are doing their homework in their notebook. So let's begin. What is heavy? What is light? Heavy क्या होता है? Heavy माने भारी. जैसे कोई भी सामान जो भारी होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं heavy. What is light? Light माने हल्का सामान. जो भी कोई चीज़ like paper, pencil ये सब हल्का है. So for example, look at this picture. There is one pumpkin and there is one piece. So which one is heavy and light? एक pumpkin और एक मटर. So इन दोनों में से heavy कौन सा है and light कौन सा है? Yes, the pumpkin is heavy. The pumpkin is heavy and peas is light. Pumpkin भारी है and peas हल्का. Now look at the next picture. There is one elephant and there is one mouse. एक elephant और एक mouse है. So which one is heavy and which one is light? Yes, elephant is heavy and mouse is light. Elephant भारी है और mouse हल्का. Now look at these pictures. There are some examples of heavy object and light object. यहाँ पे कुछ examples हैं क्या क्या सामान हो सकते हैं जो भारी और क्या क्या ऐसे सामान हैं जो बहुत हल्के होते हैं. Look at this picture. First one is heavy. What is the spelling of heavy, children? H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. And what is the spelling of light? L-I-G-H-T. Light. So look at the examples of heavy objects. Elephant. Elephant बहुत भारी होता है ना. Hammer. Hammer माने हथौड़ा, वो भी बहुत भारी होता है. Whale. Whale भी बहुत भारी होता है. Car. Pumpkin. Truck. These are all the objects which are heavy. ये सारे बहुत heavy होते हैं. Now see the light objects. Feather. Feather माने पंख. Ball. Beach ball. कुछ बॉल होते हैं ना जो बहुत हल्के होते हैं like plastic balls and all. Beach ball. Flower. Flower भी बहुत हल्का होता है ना. Leaf. Leaf माने पत्ता. Paper clip. Pencil. So these are the items of heavy objects and light objects. So now look at this picture, children. There is one pumpkin and there is one strawberry. So which one is heavy and which one is light? Yes, the pumpkin is heavy and strawberry is light. See the next picture. There is one home and there is one grapes. So which one is heavy and light? इन दोनों में से कौन सा heavy and कौन सा light object है? Yes, the home is heavy and the grapes is light. आप grapes को उठा सकते हो ना, खा भी सकते हो, उठा भी सकते हो. घर को उठा सकते हो? No ना. So that is heavy object and grapes is light object. Now look at this. There is one toy car and there is one rose. So which one is heavy? Yes, the toy car is heavy and the rose is light. जो कार होते हैं, जो खिलौने वगैरह होते हैं थोड़े भारी होते हैं ना, और जो फ्लावर है वो हल्के होते हैं. So the toy car is heavy and the rose is light. Now look at this picture. There is one whale and there is one goldfish. एक whale है जो बहुत बड़ा और भारी है और एक फ़िश है गोल्ड फिश जो बहुत छोटा और हल्का है. सो विच वन इज़ हैवी एंड लाइट? येस, द व्हेल इज़ हैवी. व्हेल क्या है? भारी. एंड गोल्ड फिश इज़ लाइट. गोल्ड फिश क्या है? लाइट, हल्का है. सो आई होप now you can identify the difference between heavy and light. अब आपको डिफरेंस पता लग गया ना heavy and light का. Now look at these things. Now I'm asking you question, children. You have to identify. There is one car and there is one cycle. So which one is heavier? कौन इन दोनों में से कौन सा heavy हो सकता है? Yes, the car is heavy one and the cycle is light one. Now look at this next picture. There is one balloon and there is one bone. एक balloon है और एक हड्डी है. So which one is heavy and light? Yes, the balloon is light and bone is heavier. Now next, there is paper clips and there is one paint box. So which one is heavier and which one is lighter? Yes, the paper clip is light and the paint box is heavy. जो paint box है वो बहुत भारी है और जो paper clips है वो बहुत हल्का. Now there is one brush and there is one camera. एक brush और एक camera है. So कौन सा सामान ज़्यादा भारी और हल्का है? Yes, the brush is light and the camera is heavy. So children, I hope now you can identify the difference between heavy and light. So today your homework is you have to do this practice sheet in your maths book. आपको ये प्रैक्टिस शीट मैथ्स बुक में करना है इन पेज नंबर 10. इन योर मैथ्स बुक पेज नंबर 10 you have to do this practice sheet. What you have to do in this? Tick the heavier and cross the lighter object. आपको heavy object पे टिक करना है और light object माने जो हल्की objects है उस पे क्रॉस करना है. See, there is one example like there is one watermelon and there is one strawberry. So which one is heavier and which one is lighter? सबसे नीचे देखिए एक watermelon है और एक strawberry. तो दोनों में से सबसे heavy कौन सा है? Yes, watermelon is heavy and strawberry is light. तो आप watermelon के नीचे टिक लगाएंगे and strawberry के नीचे cross. So your homework is you have to do this practice sheet in your maths book. And what else you have to do? You have to fill this worksheet in your maths copy. आपको ये worksheet अपने maths copy में करना है. What you have to do? You have to do fill the missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. Earlier you have done from 1 to 50. Now today you have to do the counting 51 to 100. आपने पहले 1 to 50 तक काउंटिंग लिखा था ना fill the missing numbers. आज आपको 51 to 100 fill the missing numbers करना है. कहाँ पे? maths copy. You have to do the fill the missing numbers from 51 to 100 in your maths copy. So children, your homework is page number 10 in your maths book. You have to do the practice sheet and in your maths copy आपको अपने maths copy में fill the missing numbers from 51 to 100. 51 to 100 ये वर्कशीट मैम ने दे रखा है. आपको ये ऐसे सेम टू सेम अपने maths copy में करना है. So children, do the homework in your maths copy and maths book.